Hello folks, today we're going to show you how to change the filter on the Bionaire Humidifier. Quick and easy. The Bionaire Humidifier model BCM740B. First of all, they make it pretty easy. On the top there's a little gauge that says filter good or change. Keep an eye on that. The unit should be running about 30 minutes before you check that to get an accurate reading. I haven't used it since last season, so we're going to take it apart and see how the filter looks. And take it apart. The water tank comes out first. Easy way to fill your water in there. There's also a little chart in there that shows you your filter, how it discolors a little bit. Don't need to be changed. Halfway discolored, all the way discolored. Then you should be changing it. Yep. So, and it also tells you on the side, it takes the E replacement filter. So all you have to do is humidifier filters under Amazon, put the Bionaire name in there, and they come in a pack of 3. Very inexpensive and worth your time. Once you take the tank off, all you have to do, there's a little knob in here. Twist that baby. And this unit should just lift straight up and off. And now you've got your filters. There's also, same as that knob to take the whole unit off, there's one back there that holds the filters in place. You just turn that, filter lifts off. And then to take the filter out, to change it, you take that knob, and there's a little notch back there. It just lifts off. And there's 2 filters in here to replace. Quick and easy. Put your new ones in. I just ordered mine, so they're not here. Mine aren't in real bad shape, but they're in bad shape. That makes a lot of sense, don't it? Not real bad shape, but bad shape. But I'm going to run this baby until the new ones come, then I'll change them out. But that's how quick and easy it is. Clean your unit up, put the new filters in, lock that back in place, put the tower back on your humidifier, make sure your little knob is turned the right direction, back, lock it, you'll hear it click in place, fill your tank with water, snap that baby back on, plug it in, and you're all set to go. A little gauge on the side, turn it on and off, and if you want higher humidity or whatever, it shows in it. And that's how quick and easy it is to change a filter in the Bionaire Humidifier. Hope you enjoyed. You all have a good day. Stay moist.